Hello, my name is Jaakko Sorsa. Today I'm cooking with sustainable and organic US ingredients.
Maine lobster must be the most famous lobster in the world. I'm using brining and vacuum compressing technique to make this lobster extra juicy. Californian rice is buttery and nutty. It's also sustainably grown. I mix lobster sauce into the rice for the juiciest rice ever. Topped with super sweet papaya from Hawaii and some peppery rocket. It's a new version of a lobster roll with a taste explosion.